What if you want to perform slicing on strings collection and other data types? Or you want to work upon values between two numeric intervals? Hi, this is Aishwarya from BitCode and let's talk about ranges in Swift. To understand ranges in Swift, we must know the types of ranges available in Swift. So the very first range we'll be checking is closed range. So we will define a numbers closed range of type closed range, and we will have the range from 10 to 15. For performing certain computation on each of these numbers in this range 10 to 15, we would use for loop and the iteration on each number. So for number in numbers closed range, we will have print number into 100, and let's check the output. So here we are getting the multiplication of 100 with the whole range of 10 to 15 with both lower bound and upper bound inclusive. Now let's check how to use closed range over an array. So let array of programming languages be, suppose there are different programming languages in an array: C, CBP, Swift, Java, and Kotlin. And now we would use for in loop to iterate, and I would say for index in 0 to 4, because there are 5 programming language and the indexing starts with 0, we say 0 to 4. So I'm using a closed range, and now I would print all the programming languages from the array, so languages of each index. So it will give me all the programming languages from this languages array. So here we have used for in loop and a closed range to iterate over this array. Let's check. So here we are getting all the programming languages at each index from the array. Now we can define a countable closed range on the array. So I would just say let range of type countable closed range, and I will define the range from 0 to 4 as the array is from 0 to 4. And now if I want to print, I would say languages array, and I would have this range. And now let's check, we directly get the whole array by using countable closed range. Also we can use countable closed range directly as print languages of 0 to 4. Now if you do this, you will get the same output by defining a rate separately and passing the constant, or directly defining the range. Now let's check how to use half open ranges. Now we define a range numbers half open of type range, and I will define this range from 0 to less than 5, and let's check by printing the numbers from this range. So for number in numbers half open, and we would print number. And now let's check the output. So in half open range, the last is not inclusive because we are mentioning the condition. So we are mentioning 0 to less than 5 as the range, so it will work from 0 to 4. So this is half open range, and we can check how half open ranges work upon arrays. So here, if you want half open range to work upon languages array, we can say print languages, and from languages we can select the range. So we can say 0 to languages dot count. So now this will print. If we check the output, we would get this array. Now let's check how to use one-sided ranges. So I will just print the array of languages by using one-sided ranges. Now I would define the upper bound as 3, and let's check the output. So I am getting all the elements from the array from 0 to 3. If we check the array, I am getting the array elements from 0 to 3. So this is one-sided range. And now I can define the one-sided range in a reverse manner, that I can provide the lower bound as 3, and I can say the upper bound will be the last element of the array. So let's run and check. So I'm getting all the elements after index 3. So here the array is from 0 to 4, and here the third index element is Java and the fourth index is Kotlin. So by using this range, I'm getting the values from third index onwards, and by using the upper bound one-sided range, I'm getting the elements from 0 to upper bound. So simple ways to work with ranges. Thanks a lot.